A quality silicone spatula can make everyday cooking and cleaning significantly easier while saving time. These tools help protect surfaces and simplify tasks in wet or dry conditions. Options vary in size, shape, and flexibility to match different needs and budgets. Comparisons focus on features, ease of use, performance, and value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 7. When it comes to practical performance, this set focuses on a straight loop handle and a gentle curve that give you control during stirring and scraping. The core is food-grade silicone tolerating heat up to 600 degrees, which supports safe flipping at higher temperatures and use in multiple hot pans. Narrow edges help get into tight corners, while the sturdy edges let you scrape stiff doughs without worrying about bending. Hanging holes on each piece allow the set to dry in a cup or hook, reducing clutter on your counter. This option suits bakers and everyday cooks who want a dishwasher-safe, space-saving set for the cooking range and mixing bowls. Number 6. This pair leans into a soft, flexible head that moves easily along bowl curves without scratching surfaces. The grip stays comfortable during long mixing sessions, and the heat resistance suits hot pans and stovetop tasks. Food slides off cleanly, helping you fold ingredients gently while the material resists odors. It fits small to medium bowls and narrow jars, making everyday prep smoother for detail-oriented cooks. The set earns a spot here because it delivers focused flexibility, precise control, and tidy storage in a compact form. Number 5. This set stands out with its 5 distinct spatula shapes tailored for different kitchen tasks. Food-grade, eco-friendly materials keep contact safe while heat resistance spans from -40 degrees to 310 degrees across cooking methods. The varied profiles help you scrape, flip, and portion without scratching bowls or pans. It suits home cooks, baking enthusiasts, and kitchen remodelers who want versatile tools in one set. Coukre earns a spot because it delivers consistent sizing and heat tolerance that simplifies workflow without demanding advanced techniques. Number 4. Focusing on a set with firm, ultra-flexible blades, the Chefaide 5-pieces silicone spatula set brings kitchen tasks into clear view. Its construction uses 100% food-grade silicone that handles heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit without warping or releasing particles. This means scrapers keep their shape on hot pans and non-stick surfaces stay scratch-free. It suits home cooks mixing batter and folding mixtures, plus bakers needing gentle control. On this list, it earns a spot for temperature range, food-grade safety, and practical everyday performance on demanding cooking days. Number 3. For buyers seeking overall value, this set focuses on flexible, heat-safe tools built for everyday kitchen action. Each piece uses food-grade, non-toxic silicone that resists melting between -40°F and 500°F, so it stays stable on hot surfaces and is simple to wash. The 5 different scoop and spatula shapes help you stir, scrape, and portion without scratching bowls. Because the material is eco-friendly silicone, the spatulas are durable, reusable, and designed for low-impact cooking. This is ideal for home cooks, bakers, and kitchen remodelers who want one set for mixing, scraping, and serving. Number 2. This model focuses on a slim, heat-resistant build that slides easily under food. The 600-degree rating suits serious stove-to-oven tasks without worry. Food-grade, BPA-free silicone means no taste transfer, even at higher heat. The firm yet flexible edge helps flip and scrape without harming coated surfaces. Grout lines and a one-piece structure make rinsing simple, since debris does not hide. For bakers and everyday cooks who need a dependable, neutral tool that balances gentle handling with firm control, this option stands out on technical specs alone. Number 1. This set focuses on high heat tolerance with broad material coverage. It handles up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should stay solid during searing and grilling tasks. The food-grade silicone means no taste transfer or safety worries when stirring hot pots. It suits home cooks who want one set for daily meals and baking experiments. This earned it a spot because you get 5 shapes in one package, giving flexible options for sauces, scraping, and flipping without hunting for single tools. Silicone spatulas provide flexible, heat-resistant options for different cooking styles and preferences. Budget-focused buyers, performance-oriented users, and families may each find a suitable match. Comparing handle comfort, heat tolerance, and cleaning needs helps align features with habits. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.